Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how you can create a Microsoft account. Microsoft account is very important and necessary to access Microsoft softwares. Before moving further, like this video and share. Also the like and share target is 100k. Comment on this video and give us your opinion. The comment target is also 100k. Subscribe our channel for upcoming more videos. So moving back towards today's topic, in this video we'll teach you how you can create a Microsoft account from your Android or iOS devices. For this one you have to open either Word, Excel or any Microsoft application. So in the search bar we'll type Word and we'll click on Word and then we'll click on sign in. Second option, sign up for free, we will click on it. Then you have to click on second option, get a new email address. Either you can choose outlook.com service, or if you don't want to use outlook.com service, then you can click on it and you can choose hotmail.com service. So we will type here our email address which we want to create. Then we'll click on next. Now you have to decide your password. We will recommend you always choose a strong password. Then we'll click on next. Then you have to enter the characters that you can see here. Then click on next. So that's it, our Microsoft account is ready for use. So here you can see our account tech.expert2k19@hotmail.com. So we can use this account to access Microsoft softwares. In the same way you can also create Microsoft account from your Android or iOS devices. Like this video and share also. If you are new at this video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Whenever we will prepare a new video, you will get notification that Technology Consultant channel has uploaded a new video. You can watch it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.